Top 5 best place to visit rice field in Sapa. Sapa is one of the most beautiful rice fields in Vietnam. Are you looking for the best place to visit rice field in Sapa, Vietnam? In this video, I'm gonna bring you to visit 5 best place to visit Sapa rice field. Hi, my name is Sing. I work at trekking tour Sapa. So now, let's go. 1. Ngoi Village.
Located in the picturesque Mong Hoa Valley, Ngoi Village is home to the Black Hmong people. Begin your journey here, trekking through the emerald green rice fields and witnessing the daily lives of the locals. Marvel at the traditional Hmong houses clinging to the mountainside, and don't miss the chance to spend a night in a cozy homestay, savoring delicious Hmong meals while gazing at the mesmerizing views of the rice terraces.
2. Mong Hoa Valley.
Prepare to be captivated by the magnificent vistas of the Mong Hoa Valley. This expansive valley is a melting pot of ethnic communities, including the Black Hmong, Red Dao, and GI people. Embark on an awe-inspiring trek through the terraced fields, accompanied by the sound of rustling leaves and cascading streams. Immerse yourself in the local cultures as you visit villages along the way, each offering unique traditions and warm hospitality. Don't forget to visit the enchanting Silver Waterfall and Love Waterfall, hidden gems within the valley.
3. Taffin Village.
Enter the enchanting world of the Red Dao people in Taffin Village. As you trek through the rice fields, you'll discover the distinctive customs and ways of life that define the Red Dao community. Explore the village's renowned handicrafts, such as weaving and embroidery, and bring home intricate souvenirs crafted by skilled artisans. Experience genuine Red Dao hospitality by staying in one of the cozy homestays, where you'll be embraced by their warm welcome and indulged in traditional delicacies.
4. Nam Kang Village.
Escape the crowds and venture off the beaten path to Nam Kang Village, a hidden gem nestled amidst the vast rice fields. Here you can truly immerse yourself in the serenity of the surroundings. Trek through the lush rice terraces, enjoying the tranquility and the harmonious coexistence of nature and the Black Hmong people. Stay in a rustic homestay and get a glimpse into their daily routines, traditions, and genuine friendliness.
5. Taffin Village.
Indulge in an extraordinary experience in Taffin Village, where the Red Dao and Hmong people showcase their ancient herbal medicine practices and remarkable craftsmanship. Traverse the rice fields, discovering the secrets of herbal remedies and witnessing the intricate artistry of traditional crafts. Treat your taste buds to the unique flavors of Red Dao cuisine, prepared with locally sourced ingredients and passed down through generations. Sapa's rice fields are a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness, inviting you to embark on an unforgettable journey. Whether you choose to trek through the terraced landscapes, delve into local traditions, or simply immerse yourself in the tranquility of the region, Sapa offers an experience like no other. So join me on this remarkable adventure and let the wonders of Sapa's rice terraces unfold before your eyes.
I hope this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share this video to your friend, your family, and your traveler. If you like some content like this in the future, please let me know by comment below. And please help us subscribe in this channel. Thank you so much. And I will see you in another video. Bye bye.